All right, my beautiful bees. So I am just having this chamomile tea. I've been enjoying this in the mornings as well as the evenings because it's really good for relaxation. Chamomile is amazing for that. And what's really cute about this tea is it has little sayings. And this one is, talking to plants is one way of talking directly to spirit. Rosemary Gladstar. Well, I'll try that. I'm going to start talking to the plants. And one plant I've really been enjoying, one flower, is pumpkin. So everything is pumpkin or squash lately during this fall time. So I want to show you guys this pumpkin loaf I made and I've already dug into. So what I got in here, tightened it up quite a bit here. So what I have in here is, this is like a banana bread, but I added in pumpkin puree. So it's got oat flour, pumpkin, bananas, quite a few bananas actually, because I had quite a few ripe ones. I pretty much just winged it and then I topped it off with some chocolate chips and it's really good. And especially with tea, so it's a perfect combination right there. And yeah, I've been enjoying also pumpkin smoothies. If you guys haven't seen my recipe on that, check it out. But I also really love the pumpkin smoothie. That I've been enjoying, and we're just gonna sit and enjoy the fall colors. It's so beautiful right now. You guys will see more of my biking through the trails. I've really been enjoying that. Here's a few of my other fall favorites. This is butternut squash soup with lots of vegetables. I got some sweet potato in there as well. Super hearty and delicious. We also have, I'm really into the soups lately. So this one is my gnocchi soup, gnocchi vegetable soup. So again, we got lots of vegetables in here. Potatoes. I got some cooked kale in there as well as some peas. So this is super hearty. And we also got my cabbage rolls. So I've been really into cabbage rolls as well. So we got some rice in there, and cabbage is really good for your intestinal tract. So all these recipes will be in my ebook, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And as always, be yourself, be getting in some healthy foods, and we'll all be right back.